Time to suit up. Let's go. Now I'm ready to get going on the pipes. I got shark bite adapters, which I've used before and haven't had an issue. So only one of them is leaking, but while I'm down there, I'm just gonna replace them both so I don't have to go again sometime. So I got the 290s, which are the polybutylene to whatever. I'm gonna be going to PEX. And then for the other side, same thing, poly to PEX with the straight. Now, let's turn the water on and see if it leaks. All good. No leaks, looking good.